I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today I'm doing a product review. We are talking about monk fruit. I don't know if you guys have tried this or not. This is a liquid monk fruit. It's one of my new favorite, I should say, sugar alternatives or healthier sweeteners, things like that. So I normally use date syrup, maple, honey, a lot of those things, but this is amazing for people who want 0 calories, 0 grams of sugar. If you need to keep your blood sugar down, or if you have any insulin issues, things like that, this is going to be an awesome option. So this is a liquid monk fruit. It's 100% monk fruit. Some of that you're going to see at the store are mixed with erythritol. That's going to be fine too, but I prefer the 100% monk fruit if you can find it. This bottle, I mean, I've gone through like a tiny little bit. You can't see it. But it goes a really long way. So I use this when I'm making like hot chocolates, lattes. You can use it for lemonades. You can actually bake with it. I made my first baked good with it yesterday, which I'm going to do the recipe of next. So liquid monk fruit, I'm a fan. A lot of people keep asking me what I think about it. So I love it. 0 calories. It's natural. It's from a fruit. That's from China, and it's going to be great for keeping your blood sugar down or not spiking your blood sugar at all when it comes to sweeteners. So if you guys have any more questions about monk fruit, I'm happy to help. Otherwise, get ready because I'm going to start making lots of recipes with this. Be sure to comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon.